So today I'm changing the disc brake pads on this International. It's got air disc brakes, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is to change them. The pads actually aren't bad, but I had to replace the other side because there was a wheel seal leaking, so they were soaked in oil. And then if we replace one side, we would just replace them both. So I'll take you through what it looks like to change these. These are the pads that were from the other side. The wheel seal was leaking, and so they just have oil all over them. So I just decided to change both. So on the back side of the caliper here, there's this rubber boot. Remove that, and there's a little adjusting screw in there. We take our 10mm socket, back that off all the way, and that'll back the pistons completely off the pad. So let's do it. Next we got to remove this pin. It has a little clip on the end, a washer, and then it'll allow us to remove this bracket. There's the pin. Our new brakes come with a new pin. They also come with a new washer, pin, that's the pin holding that bracket down. Now our bracket just slides right out. Dust shield, just lift right out. Now we have access to both brake pads, and they just slide right out. Now we can see when we back that pin off, what it did was retract both these pistons in so that we had some play and we could easily just pull the pads off. And then our new pads will just slide right in. Here we got our new set of pads. 2 pads. These 2 blue springs kind of will go on top of the pads. This bracket holds the pads in place. We've got a new dust boot for that adjusting screw. A new adjusting screw if we need it. They actually break pretty easy, so it's nice to hold on to those. We got our new washer, pin, and clip. There's 2 little notches on the top of the pad, and you just squeeze these blue things right on top and they snap into place. It's much easier to do with 2 hands. There's 1. And 2. So the pads will slide right onto these brackets here. And I just like to take my file and files off some of the old brake dust from both sides. and that will allow the new pads to slide in nice and easy. First pad in, slides in nice and easy. The outer pad. Might need to do a little more sanding on this one. Oh, that goes in. Wiggles. There's enough play in it that it's going to move back and forth whenever the brakes are depressed. Reuse the old dust shield. Bracket, pin, washer, and clip. Gonna have to push down on the bracket to get the pin through the hole here. Got our pin in, bracket, the washer goes on, and then the retaining clip. Just press it in. Now we just adjust the brakes back, put the wheel back on, and we're finished. To adjust them, we just tighten the screw down all the way. Nice and tight. I told you these are easy to break, just broke one. But each set of new brakes comes with a new one. They do it so you don't over tighten them, which I guess is a good thing. You know, we're all the way tightened. Now we just back it off 2 clicks. 1, 2.